Hello everyone and welcome into another Joint Movement DPT's video. We have an exciting episode for you today. We are going to the Goldstrike, is it Golden Strike? Goldstrike? We are going to the Goldstrike Canyon. It's a small hike down through some canyons and it ends at a hot spring. So check it out.
It's a Sunday and I feel alright for the first time. It's a Sunday and I feel alright for the first time.
So Goldstrike Canyon hike is just outside of Las Vegas. The trailhead is actually very close to the Hoover Dam. We had a lot of people in the parking lot, but you exit off the same exits as if you were going to Boulder City or the Hoover Dam, one of the Hoover Dam entrances, and they have parking there to the right. And so that's where we parked, and then that's where the trailhead begins. And it looks like it's about a 2-mile hike all the way down to the Colorado River and that hot springs area. So 2 hikes, 2 miles in, 2 miles out. What do you think about all this climbing?
This is fun.
This is a cool canyon.
This is a really fun, not little.
We just keep going
Down.
down. So that means when the sun goes down, we'll be going up all this in the dark. So that should be fun. And we'll probably get some good elevation gain. Rope number 3. Rope number 4. Let's do a little rappelling down into the canyon. This trail has been crazy. We are climbing some boulders.
Yes, this is not an easy
No,
ranked hike.
I would say this is a difficult hike.
Very
A black diamond.
a black diamond.
I don't actually know if that's how they rank hiking trails, but they should. Double black diamond. There's like some parts where there's actually water flowing, and so the rocks are a little slick. And that's probably the tough
That's
ones.
some tough ones, yeah.
Because you're like sliding down these big boulders and can't stop. So all this water is coming from a hot spring. So this water here is actually very warm. Very warm. And what's cool is people have taken rocks or sandbags and have made essentially little hot tubs from this hot springs stream. So we'll try to film a few of them, but if there's people in there, we usually don't want to film them in their swimsuits. But really cool. I mean, look at this. And just back there is the Colorado River, where the hot spring flows into. And not too far upstream is the Hoover Dam.
It smells like dirty kids' ball pit. It's a very distinct smell.
Tell them about the different pools.
All right, so we got this pool, super hot. My guess is approximately 120 degrees Fahrenheit. I really have no clue. I'm just joking. This pool, this is for the people who don't want to deal with the extreme heat. So we got a medium pool. And then further down, you can hit the Colorado River and wade in the nice chill of the ice melt water.
How much hotter is it, Megan?
It's like a lot hotter.
Give me exact degrees.
Approximately temperature of your oven when you just want to keep your food warm.
To keep warm setting. I understand. I fully understand that.
Wow. We made it from the highway, the top of this canyon, all the way down to the Colorado River. Took 8 ropes, a lot of elevation change, a lot of lunges, but now we're here.
The Colorado River, the Colorado River.
That's not a song.
Hot tips of this place.
The water's hot. You could bring like backpacking gear and hike down and stay for the weekend, if that's allowed. I don't know, I think it'd be a good spot to do it if it's allowed. Bring a swimsuit so you can get in the hot springs. Bring a nice refresher so you can have a relaxing time and prepare yourself for the hike back up.
All right, we're starting our voyage back up the Goldstrike Canyon.
Yes.
And that's a long way, and there's a lot of boulders and ropes to climb. Megan just asked for a piggyback ride, so that will tell you how it's gonna go. But we ate our Cliff Bar, we have our energy to tackle this now. Maybe. Tired?
Yes. My legs are tired, so I'm trusting my arms a little bit more. But my arms aren't that strong.
Well guys, we finally made it to the top. Megan like hit a second wind. It was like sprinting up the hill. And I think first time in my life was the one who brought up the train. Oh, my legs are so tired.
It was a long finishing part of the hike. You know, you go up all the ropes, all the boulders, do all those deep lunges. And then you've got loose gravel and sand to walk through for what seems like an eternity.
Oh yeah, all
Finish it
uphill.
out. Yeah.
Very tough one. Give yourself enough time to take breaks and maybe sunlight. If you start late in the evening like us and know you're gonna get out of there in the dark, make sure you bring a headlamp. But other than that, thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done that. We release a vlog every Sunday. Thank you all for watching, and until
night.
next time, see ya.